Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Felicia. In this video I'll be sharing with you on how to switch Pi account from your mainnet to your testnet. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store, App Store, and download Pi browser. Having done that, you just click on your wallet option here. So right here you just have to unlock with the passphrase. Just so right here, the next thing you have to do is to click on this drop down icon close to your Pinet. Click on this drop down icon close to your Pi mainnet. You're going to see the option of Pi testnet. So when you click on it, you'll be able to access to testnet options or features on your Pi browser. So guys, that is it on how to switch from your Pi account mainnet to your test nets. If this video was helpful, please do also follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.